No, Chair, we're not moving on. Chair, we're not moving on. She must point in this thing that she has attached here, where they say IPIT can ask for assistance. She must go there. This was attached by her after reading it and after being a non-practicing attorney. She told us it's that. So she should know how you quote the law. She must go to where it helps her.
Ms. Trent, it reads that an investigator or any person duly authorized thereto by him or her may request an explanation from any person whom he or she reasonably suspects of having information which has a bearing on a matter being or to be investigated.
Correct. So basically, my
Would you like to
understanding is that if they need assistance in something, they can ask for it lawfully, and they were allowed to do so, and that's
What she has quoted here is not helping what she's saying. She says they can ask for help legally and all of that. It's a matter we can debate. That's fine. But in terms of what she's quoting here, there is no such a thing. And she has to agree that this quotation, there is no relevance to what she's saying. And she needs to consider.
I disagree, but I think it would probably be up to you to decide at the end of the day. It wouldn't be for me to
Quote where it says what you are saying. Quote it here. Is the purpose of putting of cutting this thing and putting it in your affidavit?
But where is the evidence in law that provides for that fact or that substantiates? If you say you went to IPIT because they have requested you to assist, the honorable members are saying IPIT is a government institution regulated by law. There is national legislation that regulates the operations of IPIT, including it as an organ of state. So where is the provision in national legislation? Are you able to respond to the question?
Sorry, I'm unable to concentrate.
If it is not on the document, but you know it is section 26, subsection 7, refer them to that provision. Which provision in national legislation governing IPIT are you relying on to substantiate your statement?
No, Chair, I was going to say even, I think completely section 24 of IPIT Act is irrelevant to the point, but even the subsection 3B that she's relying on explanation is also irrelevant, but we can expand that when it's our turn to ask questions.
For the basis of being able to do these investigations based on what you've pasted based on the provisions you've set out at page 9, and there are four different sections that you set out. Is there any specific one that you remember right now, or would you like to deal with that as we go along? Or are you conceding that these provisions do not apply to you?
As I understand this is that if one of the IPIT investigators requested assistance, that it would be lawful and that we would be able to give assistance. And that, and I interpreted from the purposes of conducting the investigation may direct any person.
Where are you reading from?
From 3A.
Okay, yes, you may continue.
Or I don't know what you want me to say.
No. It's your testimony, Ms. Trent. I don't wish to tell you what you say. There's no specific answer I'm looking for. You answering to the two honorable members that have posed the question to you. It's a question of clarity.
Okay.
They're trying to get clarification on whether you still rely on these provisions for the work that Paul O'Sullivan's and associates conducted with IPIT. Are these the provisions that you rely on?
Yes.
Okay, so if you say you rely on these provisions, which
What
one?
I've put down here